Xiaomi is preparing to shake the smartphone market once again with the Redmi Turbo 5, the next-generation performance-focused device that blends flagship power with mid-range pricing. Hi guys, welcome to my technological world, your own YouTube tech channel. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon. Today we discuss upcoming Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 5. Let's go! The Redmi Turbo series has built a reputation for offering strong performance at a value price, and the Turbo 5 looks set to continue that trend. It will bring bigger battery capacity, newer chipset, and a premium-style build, all without reaching ultra-premium price levels. As part of the brand's Turbo lineup, this smartphone is designed for users who demand speed, endurance, and modern design, all without breaking the bank. With a bold new look, a massive battery, and impressive hardware, the Redmi Turbo 5 is set to become one of the most balanced devices of late 2025 or maybe early of 2026. The phone houses a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. This ensures crisp visuals, smooth animations, and punchy colors, perfect for both gaming and multimedia. The bezels are slim, and the punch-hole camera is centered for a clean, symmetrical look. The screen also supports high brightness levels, making it easy to use under direct sunlight. The Redmi Turbo 5 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8500 Ultra chipset, expected, paired with 12 GB or 16 GB of RAM and storage options ranging from 256 GB up to 1 TB. Battery life is one of the key highlights of the Redmi Turbo 5. The Turbo 5 to feature a massive 7000 mAh battery, making it one of the largest batteries in its segment. So guys, this is the fresh information about new upcoming Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 5. I hope you like this. If you like it, please hit the like button, share this video, and press the bell icon, so you will receive our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.